Hey y'all, how you doing? Beautiful day, rained earlier, and I found Sonny's favorite toy. You will not believe what this toy does to this dog. Jump, get it, get it. This is Sonny's favorite toy, and you see the log drills and everything is going. Fox is on the other side. And are you ready? I had already did some work with her. And if the weather stays nice, I'm gonna take her out there and do some swimming. I guess y'all could understand why this is her favorite toy, huh? Can I have it? Can I have it? Drop it. Drop it. Drop it. Sunny. If anybody got a dog, they know what this means. Here come Mr. Horny over here. Sunny, drop it. Drop it. Drop it. Drop it. Sunny, come here. I really need help, y'all. Hey, Fox. I need help. Look at her smiling. She is happy. Oh, Mr. Horny, can't even get up. Stop. Oh, it got me in my freaking nuts. Up. You know where it go. Up. Up. All right. So I need help with the training. I like to get this dog on command. And there she goes. I want y'all to see the return. She's probably tired. Now she's by the grill. That is not the toy. Well, I got them on pig ears, and I was doing a little run with her with the toy and stuff. But now she's tired and worn out. But I just want to do a little video with her favorite toy and stuff, and I'm definitely going to get her a breed mate. I'm looking at the Yaga Terriers. Fox is going to get rehomed to a farm. My aunt has a rat problem out there, so I'm going to get him out there so he could do some ratting with her and stuff. And then I'm going to have Sunny and the Yaga Terrier. I think it's a better fit for her. She's a high energy dog. She's got a lot of mass and she's pretty heavy. I need to take her to get weighed and do the vet, get her to the vet. But she's definitely outgrown her companion mate, Fox, and my aunt has smaller dogs like him, so he'll be a lot happier, I think, and stuff. But thank you, y'all. This quick video of Sunny and her companion. They are purely occupied with the pig ears. Look at her. She's tired. Overweight. She looks beautiful. Tell me what y'all think. And now she's matured a little older. What do you think she is? Because she's definitely not a Chihuahua and a Dachshund, like the lying son of a bitch said she was when I got her. Um, what do y'all think she is? She got her adult teeth in now, and she's a hell of a dog. She's smart. Really, really, really smart, and likes beer. So, give me your opinions and let me know, because I'm going to take her to get a DNA test, and I'll do a video for that. Enjoy yourself, stay safe, and stay healthy.